How to plant okra at home in the garden. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can plant okra in the garden. So what I do first is I soak my seeds in the container. I soak it for 24 to 48 hours before I plant it, just to speed up the germination process. As you see, I just soak it in water like that, and then I plant it in the tray. You can plant the seeds directly into the ground without soaking it. You can just grab your seeds like this and just plant them into the garden. It should be fine. It will still grow, but I soak it to speed up the germination process. So here the seed starts germinating after about 3-4 days. As you can see, they're already coming out here. After about 5 days, they're already coming out. Here is it after about a week. The leaves have started coming out. They're doing great. And here is it after about three weeks, and they're all doing great. It's doing well. I had to transplant some of them from one container to spread it out a little bit more. So they are all ready to be transplanted right now. So some have grown much bigger than others, but I'm gonna transplant them right now into the garden. So this big one is the first one that came out. That was really germinated the fastest, and I transplanted it into a bigger container, and it just took off. So now we're gonna plant it in the garden. So you can plant it without using any fertilizer, or you can use organic fertilizer or any other fertilizer that you have. But most often I just use compost and just plant it with the compost. So here we have the first one. I'm gonna plant the first one, and then we go from there to the other ones. Okay. So the spot you're gonna plant. So you can plant with one hand. So let me show you. Take that out like that. Shake it out. There you have it. Got the roots. So you want to just break the roots a little bit. Break the roots like that, so that they can continue spreading into the ground. You just put it in the ground like that. Fill it up. And there you go. If you like, you can just spread a little bit of organic fertilizer on it, or compost. That's all up to you. Now we're gonna plant this one next. I'm going to plant this one over here. I have potatoes right here, so I don't want to plant it where the roots are gonna interfere with the potatoes. So I'm just gonna plant it next to the corn over here. So in the middle over here where there's nothing. Just like that. And this is the next one. Just gonna flip it like that, shake it, and it comes out. This one, the roots are not completely spread out, so easy. Just put it in, close it. And then now we're just gonna water it. Whenever you plant anything, you want to water it. You want to make sure that the roots have water. They can continue to thrive. Okay, we're gonna plant the next one. We do the same thing, dig a hole. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. That's the only way I know you guys love the videos and love to continue watching the videos. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and thanks for all those who have subscribed. So we're gonna just cover the bottom, cover the roots like that, and then we can water it, and it should be all set. Like I said, you can put organic fertilizer there, or you can put any other fertilizers towards around the stem, and then you can just leave it like that. If your soil is not good, you want to make sure you fertilize it. Just want to soak it. There we go. Next one. Okay, about a week and a half later on, this is what it looks like. And this one. Okay, this is it. As you can see, it's growing. That's the okra right there. And the stem is getting longer. You also see a couple of okras coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Another one doing good. And here's another one that had some issues, but it's also coming along. And the next one is over here. So it also has quite a few coming along. Here is another one right here. And let me bring it closer so that you can see the okra that's coming. As you can see, you have a couple of okras right there coming along. And there's one more over here. That's another one right here. So it's coming along. Please let me know in the comments below if you've grown okra before, or you're currently growing okra, or you plan to grow okra in the future, and how it's going if you've grown okra. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching and happy growing.